You can't find or install Lumion LiveSync for SketchUp? In this video, I'll show you how to download the latest version and install it the right way, so it works perfectly even if you're a beginner. Make sure you follow each step carefully because missing just one thing can cause errors later. Is this your first time on SketchUp Modeling Academy? You're in the right place. Tap the subscribe button to join the community as we explore creative ideas together. Step 1. Download LiveSync. First, let's download the LiveSync. Go to the official Lumion support website. Type support.lumion.com/downloads. We are on the website now. Scroll down to download Lumion LiveSync for SketchUp. Click on it. Alright, here we go. Scroll down. Click on this link to download. Alright, it's downloading. It's ready now. Now close it and head over to SketchUp. Step 2. Install the plugin. Go to Extension Manager. Click on Install Extension. Let's open the download file. This is the LiveSync we just downloaded. Select it, open, just like that. Let's drop it here. Always make sure that your LiveSync is enabled. Step 3. Enable LiveSync. Click on this play icon to start. If LiveSync doesn't show up or connect, it could be due to installation issues or blocked files. Don't worry, I've made a separate video showing how to fix that. I will leave the link in the description, or check the channel to watch the video. Click yes. Once both of them are open, LiveSync will connect automatically. Alright, we are in Lumion now. Step 4. Test connection. Try moving something in SketchUp. If everything is working fine, you'll see it updates instantly in Lumion. Let's rotate this. We have the same thing in Lumion. And that is it. You've successfully installed and set up Lumion LiveSync. Now you're ready to create real-time renders like a pro. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it to others to benefit from it.